Hello mga kamams! So, good afternoon to everyone. Good morning, good evening. So, right now, the time now is 7:04 Malaysian time. So, my name is Priscilla. I'm gonna share with you yung experience ko with Hermosa Clinic, and to my surprise, matagal ko na sana ginawa tong review for Hermosa Aesthetic Quezon City Clinic, with my experience and also yung services nila doon sa clinic. Hindi ko lang siya nagawa kasi sobrang busy ko na, kasi after my procedure, few months after that, or after a month or two, nag-fly na ako dito sa Malaysia for work. So, without further ado, I just like to mention a couple of, people who've tagged me the most recent, at saka yung mga previous tags for Hermosa Clinic. I have Shinzei, I have, what's the name of this, Katlini, Janeline, and a whole lot more. Sobrang dami. So first of all, thank you so much for tagging me. I really apologize. I was not able to respond to you quickly as I can. Pero I can see naman that the Hermosa Clinic staff and whoever's taking care of their social media account for Facebook has been diligently replying to you guys. So yon. So thank you. So here is my nose. Okay. I-zoom ko a bit. Okay. After my procedure with Hermosa Clinic. So, dati kasi talaga sobrang opportunity ko tong area na to. Wala talaga. And by the way guys, wala akong makeup dito. Naka-lens lang ako. Pero, wala akong makeup para makita ninyo yung bare face ko. Kasi, some of the response na meron ako or nag-respond ako dun sa mga PM is it's either naka-makeup ako, nakaayos ako talaga. Kasi usually papasok ko sa trabaho kapag nagre-reply ako. Okay, so start natin from the beginning. If you're gonna be doing the Hikot thread procedure, first and foremost, you have to prepare yourself. One, make sure na you drink pineapple juice beforehand. Hindi lang siguro on the day na gagawin yung procedure, but at least, a week prior of having the procedure. Kasi usually, it will take a while for us to really decide whether gusto natin yung gawin yung procedure or not, right? So, think about it and prepare your body. And aside from that, if you're taking vitamin E for the elasticity of your skin and whatnot, definitely take all of your vitamins needed. Okay? Number 2 is prepare your budget. Okay? Kasi yung package ng Hermosa Clinic is limited to a certain number or certain numbers of threads only for the nose itself, for the body here, for the bridge, and for the alar. Okay? Here. So, two yung klase ng thread. One is to enhance this part, and then yung isa is to enhance yung taas dito. Okay? So, dalawa yun, guys. Very limited yan, and I'm not sure how much per thread would be, pero nung napagawa ako way back March, if it hasn't changed, is 1,000 per additional thread. What I like about the clinic is they will do an assessment first of your nose and then identify how much thread you're gonna be really needing. So on my procedure, the package I have is 5 threads here and I think 2 threads. So napatagdag ako ng 3 pa, so a total of 8 threads that I had. So I achieved this height, and again, this is March, April 29, I believe. So double check ko lang yung aking April 29 when I had it, right, the operation, the procedure. And then April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and this is already January. Okay, so 8 months, 9 months in the making. Okay, so first is when you get there, syempre assess muna nila yan, and then they will put a topical anesthesia here, and then dun sa pinaglagyan dun din kasi ilalagay yung pinaka-anesthesia. So it is just a couple of, parang seconds lang yan, mga 3 seconds talaga. Sobrang sakit pagkatusok, ang sakit-sakit, ganon. Pero mga moms, okay lang din naman yun, tiis ganda talaga. Kasi after few seconds, siguro 3 to 5 seconds, magnanumb na yan hanggang dito. And i-massage yan nung ating doctor. And then after, wala ka na talaga siyang maramdaman, tsaka nila i-start yung pinaka-procedure. Okay? So, another tip sa preparation is yung pangatlo, aside from drinking the vitamins in your pineapple juice and then be ready with your budget, is number 3, you have to make sure na clean yung face nyo. Okay? When I say clean your face, they will definitely offer to do like facial clean. So mag-offer sila ng facial, which is, hindi naman masyadong mahal. Reasonable din naman yung price. Pero syempre kung masyadong marami, pupunta kayo doon sa maraming client, medyo mabilis silang maglinis. So I'm not sure if linis na linis talaga, kasi you have to know that after the procedure, you cannot wash your face in the next 24 hours. Okay? Kasi syempre meron yung butas dito, right? So, ang tendency is, kapag may butas yan, baka pag nabasa, ma-infect. But do not worry, because on the package itself, they will give you the ointment for this. What is gonna be missing is and this is the 4th preparation, which is, kailangan mo mag-prepare ng money to buy your medicines, because the medicines, pain relievers or whatnot, hindi yan kasama sa package. Okay? Alright, so enough of that. So I'm gonna be sharing with you, and then on this video, I'm going to add as well yung video ko on that day. But just to show you a couple of it. So this was my nose before. I'm not sure if you can see it. So yan, ganyan siya. Hindi naman siya sobrang flat, pero hindi siya ganun yung bridge is hindi ganun ka-outlined, right? Unlike ngayon. Okay? Yan, kitang-kita siya. So, another is, maybe I can share with you another one. So, this is how it look like before my operation, right? And then, okay, and this is gonna be after. Okay, yan yung taas. Okay, I'm gonna share or insert probably a couple of photos here. And then this is during the preparation of the topical anesthesia. Medyo takot kasi ako sa takot ako sa needle. So, meron pa rin siyang konti, pero sobrang konti na siya. Hindi na siya ganun ka-visible. Okay? And then after that, of course, yung anesthesia, bago yun ilalagay sa inyo, they will do a skin test first. If meron kayong allergic reaction with the anesthesia that they're using. And then, of course, a couple of things, guys, that you need to know is mararamdaman nyo yung pagpasok. So, even if medyo na yan, numb na tong area na to, hanggang dito, actually parang mukha mo yung buong magnanumb. Yan, mararamdaman mo pa rin siya na may pinapasok-pasok sila dyan. Okay? Alright, and then next is, of course, yung aller naman na sinasabi is yun dito. Actually, yung aller yata, ito yung Allertox, right? Pero yung dito, meron din yan nilalagay dito. Kasi, syempre, pinataas mo to, tapos mababa pa rin yung dito, hindi siya magmamatch. So, kailangan medyo pataasin din ito, dito, para magtagpo sila nung nilagay dyan. So, few things. So, kapag may asawa ka, hindi ka pwedeng okay, hindi mo maggamit talaga yan. So, another thing is hindi ka makakapagsalita agad. And, ramdam na ramdam mo yung mga nakatusok dyan. Kasi, technically, para yan nakaganon eh. Yan. Okay? Para siya naka-angkla dyan. Para tumaas yan. So, yun yung mga discomfort na naramdaman ko during the procedure. And of course, hindi ka masyado makasmile for the first 2 weeks. Plus, babalik ka sa kanila after 2 weeks to do the Allertox. So, basically, i-assess nila yan, titignan nila yan kung okay ba yung healing mo at kamusta naman yung ilong mo after nung iyong procedure. And then, they will inject the Allertox para medyo tight itong area na to. Yan. Parang, pagka na-Allertox ka, feeling mo banat na banat yung ganito mo siya. At hindi ka maka-smile. Yun. So, yun yung mga mararamdaman mo dyan. And then, eto guys, pag hinilat mo yan, you have to make sure na hihilutin mo talaga siya regularly. Kasi pinababayaan mo yan, bababa yan. And guys, hindi to permanent. Although may chances na andyan na siya kasi sasama na siya sa tissue at natutunaw siya, 'di ba? See, nung pinagawa ko to mataas to eh. Sobrang taas niya. Para akong witch, ganon. Pero sa ngayon, I still love what I have, or I still love how it looks like right now kasi hindi siya mukhang pinaritoke in some way. So parang natural lang naman siya. Okay? So, another thing is, pwede kayo magpa-repeat ng procedure after 6 months, 1 year, up to 2 years. Kasi ito naman, naglalast naman daw siya ng 1 year, at least 1 year to 2 years. Depende na lang siguro sa ilong mo at kung gaano kadami yung pinaligay mo dyan. But, in terms of zero downtime, may downtime siya, guys. Okay, minimal. And depende, at nakadepende yan sa body nyo or nakadepende yan sa inyo, yung healing process. Okay? Merong iba namamaga dito. I also had that, yung namamaga dito. Yan. Tinubuan pa nga yun ng pimples that time. So, parang nag-worry ako. But the pimple is just skin deep. And then, yung thread is mas malalim siya. Malapit siya dun. I believe medyo malapit siya dun sa buto. Nakadikit siya or nakapatong. That's why kailangan mo siyang i-massage. Okay? So, minsan guys, halimbawa ako, hindi ako nakapag-massage or what not. Bumababa talaga yun guys. But the minute that nag-start na akong i-massage siya ulit, yan, like that, babalik naman siya. Ganda na ulit. Okay? So, yun guys, in terms of, budget, madami na kasi nag-offer ng budget-friendly for Hiko. So, I would suggest na keep on researching. Manood kayo ng mga videos. And also, manood kayo ng mga or check the reviews. Especially if responsive ang clinic, yun, go kayo doon. Kasi, technically, hindi doctors na magagawa sa inyo ng procedure, but they are authorized to do the procedure and they have certificates to do it. They were trained and certified to do it. But Hermosa Clinic has their own doctor, which can be contacted via Viber. I think si Dr. Ana yata yun. So, medyo persistent ako during the first 2 weeks during my first week when I had the procedure kasi nag-worry ako na mamaga yung mukha ko, ganun. So, continuous yung maga. So, sa pamamaga naman guys, ituloy nyo lang yung eyes therapy. So, maglagay kayo ng eyes kasi usually, ano ba yung part na namamaga? Eto, syempre, ditong part. Eto lalo na. At saka yung dito na part. Yan, mamamagayan. It will darken, right? Magkulay ube yan. And then, the minute that you had that, just, kayo masyadong mabahala unless otherwise may nakita kayong foreign or something. Yung sa akin pa nga medyo nag-worry ako kasi yung dito, may tumutusok-tusok dyan sa dulo. Sabi ko, shit, lalabas yata yung thread. Pero although, ang sabi naman nila sa akin is very seldom na nangyayari na lumalabas dun sa butas na pinagbutasan ulit yung thread. Okay? So, pero you just have to watch out. Huwag nyo lang masyadong mawakawakan para hindi ma-irritate. So, yan. And then, take care of yourselves, right? Lahat ng foreign bodies naman na nilalagay sa katawan natin, it may or may have an impact for us. So, mag-ingat na lang talaga tayo and really do take care. So that's all for me today. So I hope I can do another video. I will upload this in YouTube and I will be sharing this link for everyone who wanted to know my experience with Hermosa Aesthetic Clinic in Quezon City. So thank you so much, guys. Happy New Year and all the best for 2023.